हेलो एवरीवन, वेरी वेरी गुड मॉर्निंग। हाउ आर यू बच्चों? हेलो बेटा सपना, दनेश, ज्योति, शिवांगी, आलोक, अरुण, प्रियंका, हाउ आर यू ऑल? I hope all of you are enjoying your this session also. Beta, last class was very interesting. It was really a good topic. Beta, today we are going to discuss another new topic. But before starting today's session, let me know your doubt if any. Tell me fast. If there is any doubt, then please message everyone. Sir, we are good and opinions. Yes, beta Chetan, good morning. Good morning, beta Priyanka. Okay, I'm gonna start today's session. As you already know, in each and every session, I always revise last lecture, beta. But still, in this lecture, we would be having more topic to discuss, and there is limitation of lecture. So I'm gonna start today's fresh topic directly. Okay, can I start? Everyone, show me your message. Give me a ready, fast. Sapna, Danesh, Jyoti, Shivangi, Alok, Priyanka, Arun, Chetan. Can I start now? Ready? Yes. 2 सेशन में एनबीएफसी बैलेंस चैप्टर कैसे होगा? हो जाएगा दनेश, आई नो. NBFCs are having only one type of question. Okay, don't worry. Anyways, now I'm starting today's session. Beta, you know, we have discussed, already practiced profit and loss account question, but we left balance sheet question. Okay, let's start question number 20, and we shall do it fast. Everyone, open question number 20. Question number 20, that is page number 7.71. Page number 7.71. Everyone. 18, 19, and then 20. Question number 20. Yes. Please write down important question. Yes. आओ बच्चों, शुरू करते हैं. Let's start. So first, how we shall cover it? Beta, in the short time, first we shall mention here the schedule number to which the item belongs. Means first, while we shall be solving the question, we have to mention here the schedule number. Okay, can I start? Everyone, show me your energy. That's sir, yes, we are doing. Beta, question number 20. See what the question is saying. The following are the ledger balances in rupees 1000 extracted from the books of Vaishnavi Bank as at 31st March 2021. Beta, ledger balances have been given to you all. Means we can say it is a trial balance. Okay, trial balance has been given. And what question is asking from you? See, there is a requirement. Beta, we have very limited time, so please maintain speed. From the data given above, bank's profit and loss and balance sheet we need to prepare. Okay, in appropriate form also. Next one, beta, 3 adjustments are there. Can you please tell what is this you have done with me? Depreciation is easy, you know. Depreciation you will definitely deal. Profit and loss is there, and balance sheet is there, and you shall reduce depreciation from balance sheet fixed assets and transfer it to profit and loss. But the main thing is that to which schedule these are to be posted. Okay. This is beta rebate on bill discounted, URR. Before this question, you practiced all the points in parts. Now you will be having the comprehensive situation of bank in single question. Okay, beta. So you have to report the profit and loss account and balance sheet. Now the third point is this one. Another adjustment is there. Included in the current account ledgers are overdrawn. It means bank overdraft has been included in this account, in the current accounts ledger. Okay. And question has given, even though question is not saying, still we have to do transfer to statutory reserve 25% of net profit. And of course, always for the current year profit 25%. Okay. Should we start? Come on, prepare a balance sheet format and P&L format fast. Answer number 20. Here is balance sheet format. Here is balance sheet format, beta. And here also you will find the schedule number. And here you will be finding P&L account. P&L account of bank. Balance sheet as at 31st March 2021. 2021. Yes. And here you have to mention all the relevant head first. First, you have to prepare a format. Beta, please prepare with me. This is what first we have to prepare here the format, beta. Capital, then reserve and surplus, deposits, and then borrowings, and then other liabilities and provisions. These were the liability side, equities and liabilities. The same is the case here. Schedule number. Yes, beta, that's the reason I am practicing in class, beta. Don't worry. Each and every point will be. Yes. You are right, beta. Current year amount, previous year amount, and previous year figures are not given. Hence, always give there is dash. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Beta, starting 5 points were for liability side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And next points are for asset side. Yes. First of all, cash and bank. Sorry. Yes, cash and bank balance. Next one. Okay, with RBI. With RBI, Reserve Bank of India. Next one is balance with other banks. And money at call and short notice. So this is what 6 and then 7th, and next one is of course investment. Beta, you know we have triggered here group wise. The starting 2 points belongs to cash, and next 2 point belongs to investments. The main purpose of bank is to give loans and advances, and also the investment is also side purpose. That is also purpose. Investment. Next, advances. So next 2 point we have remember 8th and 9th. Next 2 point are also to be remembered together. That is 6 is for beta no. After the balance sheet, there will be 12th number. Danesh, 6 is not for contingent liability. Okay, beta Danesh. Anyways, fixed assets. That's the reason I am practicing here. Otherwise, you will definitely lose this point to remember. Fixed assets and last other assets. You have to remember in this way. You have to make a group of the. You have to make the combination of the 2 items each and every time. Beta C. Capital and reserve and surplus are shareholder funds. You already know. The same sequence was there in schedule 3 also. That's another thing. The number has not been allotted there. But here the format is as per act. Hence the number has been allotted to particular item. And next 2 are to take money in the form of deposit or borrowings. Okay, beta. And last one is जिसका कोई नहीं उसका क्या होता है? Other होता है. For which there is no place that has been put it at in other place always, as you know already in income tax also other source. Next, the combination must be there. Starting 2 point belongs to cash and bank. First 2 RBI, the father is there, and another is with other. Next 2 are for investment and advances. Okay, beta. And last fixed assets and other assets. जिसका कोई नहीं उसका other. So definitely you will be learn in this way. And after that, outside the balance sheet, there is contingent liability. Can you please give me number, Danesh? Contingent liability. You asked, so I am asking to you again. So number will be 12. And the number up to 12 are in balance sheet. Then after that, the series will start with 13 and that will move to profit and loss. See beta. This is what? Profit and loss. Profit and loss account for the year ending 31st March, as per this question I am putting here, 2021. And then current year amount, and then previous year amount. Of course, there is no previous year figure. We shall put dash. Very good, everyone. No knowledge without practice. Beta, only single question is there, which is very comprehensive. You have to mark this as an important for revision. Yes, beta. Sapna, you are right, beta. But we will put figure together. We are solving the question systematically. First, we shall prepare format and schedules, and then fill in the blanks will be there. So first there will be number 1, that is the Roman number, how to present in exam. That is really very important. Even though students are having good knowledge, but still they couldn't present sometimes. Incomes, and then expenses, expenditures, two types of incomes are there. Two types of incomes are there. Number one, interest income, and then other than interest. Same is the case with Schedule 3. You know, in case of Schedule 3, you have already learned revenue from operation and other. So main operation for bank is interest. And here, one thing you have to remember, most of the students I found in my class, they were doing the mistake. And what they were doing, discount account, which we have learned. In case of discount, we are discounted. The discount is income for bank, where you shall put. Okay, I am asking you first. Tell me, give me answer, beta. Where you shall put with interest income or other income? Other incomes or interest income? Because that in that case, there will be different schedule number. And this will be schedule 13. And this will be schedule 14, where you will put. And correspondingly, expenditures are there. Interest, expense, and then operating expenses. (15) and 16. After that, there are provision. But there is no number. There is no numbering for provisions. These incomes will be totaled and these expenses will be totaled along with provision, and we shall present in exam in this way. Number 3, that is of course profit or loss. 13, other incomes. इंटरेस्ट अर्न सर बुक में जो फॉर्मेट है उसके हिसाब से इंटरेस्ट इनकम सर डिस्काउंट इनकम इज इक्वल टू इंटरेस्ट इनकम. वेरी गुड, बट वन ऑफ द स्टूडेंट हैज आंसर्ड अदर इनकम. बेटा दैट इज रॉन्ग. Discount is the name given by the discounter, the drawer who has discounted its bill, but that is the income for bank. That basically that is in actual that is interest, beta, which bank has already deducted. Okay, beta. So bank will put that in interest income. Now expenditure. After that, profit and loss account. Profit or loss, and there will be first net profit of the year, net profit or loss of the year. Beta, I am writing here of the year. I have seen practically there are quarterly financials also. Okay, beta. So in that case, you will put there quarterly ending. Okay. Net profit of the quarter you will put there. Net profit of the profit and loss here. Okay. Then opening balance. Total. Number 4, appropriations. Beta, here may be different reserve, but one reserve is definitely mandatory, that is statutory reserve. Even though question is not saying anything, still you have to transfer here. Other reserve is there? No. See, rest is balance. Carry forward to balance sheet in the reserve and surplus. Or you can write here transfer to reserve and surplus. And don't try to calculate EPS. as you already practiced in schedule 3 chapter. Okay, here is no format for the EPS in this case along with this. Okay, so now I am moving to question, but before that I have to prepare schedules also. Okay, schedules will also be prepared with comparative format. Schedule number this is particulars and this is current year figure and previous year figure. And figures here are in 1000. So please mention there that figures are in 1000. सर कैसे पता चलेगा कि कितना स्पेस लगेगा बेटे? इसके लिए मैं आपको एक तरीका बताऊंगा, क्योंकि आप पक्का दिनेश, आई एम टॉकिंग विद यू, आई एम आंसरिंग योर क्वेरी इन हिंदी बिकॉज यू आर आस्किंग इन हिंदी. ओके बेटा, इसके हमें पता चलेगा अभी जब फॉर्मेट तो हम बनाएंगे तब जब हम क्वेश्चन को पहले पढ़ लेंगे. क्वेश्चन हम पढ़ते हुए शेड्यूल नंबर मेंशन करेंगे तो उसमें आपको स्पेस पता चल जाएगा दिनेश. सो नाउ आई एम स्पीकिंग बैक इन इंग्लिश. बेटा, one of the student is asking, sir, how we shall know that how much space we need to kept for each schedule? Beta, for this I am telling you that first you will read the question, and on that you have to mention the question number, schedule number, and you will be finding how many items are there in particular schedule. Definitely you will be managing the space accordingly. So but you are not having the facility in exam like this, as I am copying here to save my time. Everyone, please don't mind. Prepare fast. We have to save our time. Everyone, prepare fast schedule and don't try to copy. Don't try this at home. Keep just one thing. One side will be balance sheet schedule 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and another side will be profit and loss schedule. That will be more presentable for your answer in exam. Schedule number 1, but still I will prepare here schedule. Anyways, let's start. I will also prepare in this way. Schedule number 1. Okay, I am giving a number here. Schedule number 1, schedule number 2, schedule number 3, schedule number 4, schedule number 5, schedule number 6, then 7, and then 8, then 9, and then 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 'Prepare fast'. 15, and then if we need, okay, if we need anything more, then we can prepare those also. 14, then 15, and then 16. So I am waiting for your ready. Give me a ready. You are practicing with me. So how we shall manage our space in exam? First, we will be mentioning the schedule number on the question. Okay, beta? Give me a ready, everyone, that you all are practicing with me. Danesh, Shankaran, Alok, Jyoti, Pranav, Sapna, and all rest of the students. Yes, ready. Very good. Okay. You will tell me the schedule number. I am asking you again and again. Okay, beta? But please answer in super fast mode. Otherwise, you can mention share capital schedule number that, current account schedule number that, etc., etc. Okay. See, but before mentioning the schedule, you have to keep just one thing. You have to change your side. So change your side. Where, sir? You have to change your side, beta. Sir, what side, sir? You have to think as a bank first. Because usually we do not change our opinion and we start the solution. And there may be many balances for which we will be answering in different manner. Okay, beta? Please see, change your focus that you are a bank and you are preparing your balance sheet where you will put your share capital account in the trial balance. From the trial balance, yes, very good, Pranav. Definitely schedule number. I will be mentioning here schedule number. That will be in schedule number 1. And what is the schedule number 1? Share capital. Share capital. Share capital. Share capital. That will be in schedule number 1. Beta, this will be the sequence. This will be the technique by using which you can manage your space and time. Because one time you have to read complete question. At the time of reading the question, why don't you mention the schedule number there? Use your pencil. Anyways, now current account controls, beta. Current account controls. Tell me, everyone, where you will put current account control. Beta, remember one more thing. The credit balance belongs to you in the trial balance are either of liability or of income. Either of liability or of income. It is clear that 97,000 is current account and that belongs to our liability, beta. Because from the businessman point of view, you will be finding that current account is asset side. Okay, but you have to change your opinion first that you are a bank and customers are maintaining current account with you. So it means current account is liability for you. You can find easily that credit sides are there either of liability or income, and that cannot be income. It means that is a liability. But where you have to put, of course, the customer has deposited with us money, and these are under deposit. And what the deposit schedule is there? Number 3. Starting 2 were of share capital reserve and surplus. Next 2 were of deposits and borrowings. Yes. So, beta, here you will be mentioning deposits in the deposit schedule. Next, employee security deposit. Again, the same thing, beta, but that belongs to our employee. Who we are bank. Who we are bank. Beta, employee security deposit. Beta, that is not the same which public has deposited. Okay. This will not fall in share capital reserve and surplus, deposit or borrowings. Okay, beta. It means those have to mention in the other current liability that belongs to schedule number 5. Very, very good. Very, very good. I want all of you must answer whether it is wrong or right. But at least you must reach to the level where the problem starts. In exam, you will definitely solve the question if you will be practicing in this way. First, you have to mention the schedule number. You have to give the clarity to yourself first. Okay, beta? So, this is what? Schedule number 5. Now tell me, investments in government banks of India, golden bullion, silver, etc., etc. Beta, these are having debit balance. These are having debit balance. It means these may be either of expense or of assets, and expense cannot be investments. Okay, it means these are assets, and in case of assets, you are using here word investments. You know, in case of asset side, you have mentioned starting 2 points were of cash, RBI, and other banks, and next 2 were of investment and advances. So up to this one, you will be clear. Okay, beta. See, what was the schedule number for this? Definitely 8 number. Beta, up to 5th, liability side, and after that, asset side. Starting 2 were of cash, and next 2 were of investment and advances. Okay, beta. Don't worry. It's my duty to remember, to make you remember all the things. But you have to practice with me in this way. Beta, all of these are to be mentioned with schedule number 8, and that is investment. That is investment. It is contained liability actually. Okay, beta. This is was contained liability, and Dinesh will tell what is the contained liabilities. Note number, sorry, schedule number. Everyone, tell me what is the schedule number for contained liability. I am waiting for an answer. I am waiting, everyone. Tell me. Yes. Very, very good. Schedule number 12. Next, borrowings from bank. Borrowings from bank. Oh, sir, borrowings from bank. It is a credit side and that is liability. Yes. Starting to a share capital reserve and surplus. No. Deposits or borrowings. Borrowings. Yes. That means that is the 4th number. Schedule number 4. Borrowings. Building, furniture. Oh. On asset side, can you please tell me the schedule number? Sir, on the asset side, starting 2 were of cash. Yes, that is 6 and 7. Next 2 were of 8 and 9. That is belonging to investment or advances. And then there was 10th and 11th. Fixed assets and other assets. Oh. So it means it is of 10th number that belongs to fixed assets. Okay, very, very good. Don't worry, I have duty and I will perform that. You will remember these schedule, but you have to make the combination of two items each. Next, money at short call and notice. Bete, money at short call and notice. Can you please tell what is this? Sir, these are on asset side. You have already mentioned there. Yes, beta. This one balance with other bank and money at call and short notice. It means that is schedule number 7. Beta, that's another thing, that adjustment, some adjustment like final account adjustments are there. Those will be dealt. But first we have to put the figure at the right place. After that, the adjustment will be done in dual manner. Okay, beta. Next one. Commission brokerage saving, commission brokerage. Beta, what is that? That is income for bank. You know, on the credit side, it has been given and it is the income for bank. Beta, where you will put? There are 4 schedules for income starting from 13, 14, 15, 16. These are the profit and loss account schedule. Where you will put the figure? Is this income for interest or other income? Sir, commission brokerage is not the interest income. Yes. Hence, it has to put in schedule number 14. Very, very good. Schedule number 14. Other income. Next one. Saving accounts are there, beta. Saving accounts are there and fixed deposits account are also there. Beta, first tell me, this is income or liability, because it is on the credit side of trial balance. Sir, saving accounts cannot be income, fixed deposit account cannot be income. We are bank, and customer has deposit with us in two forms. One, he is maintaining with us saving account, and another one, he is maintaining with us fixed deposit account. It means those are liability for us. Now it's the turn to go to the schedule number, the liability side. It means starting 1 to 6 we have to check. Okay beta, see, tell me, 1 to 5, sorry, 1 to 5 we have to check. Share capital, it cannot be. Reserve and surplus, it cannot be. Definitely it will fall under deposits, schedule number 3. Beta, borrowings are there? No, bank has not borrowed. Customer had deposited with bank. Beta, be clear with each and every point. So there will be schedule number 3 of deposit. So deposit word is not given with the saving account. That's the reason I told you that customer has deposit with us in different format. It's not necessary that deposit word will be along with the item. Okay beta, you have to be more clear, because first you have to change your side. You have to think as a bank. Next point is there beta. Balance with other banks. Balance with other banks beta. It is what? It is schedule number 7. It is schedule number 7. You know, cash and bank balance with RBI and then other. So it is schedule number 7. Schedule number 7. Next one. Other investments. Beta, other investment means in addition to investments mentioned above. Okay. Another time it is the same. So I am not discussing about the same schedule again, since the words are clear. Investments. Interest accrued on investment. I am waiting for an answer. Who will tell me? Interest accrued is assets or liability? Think first. Sir, interest accrued has been given on the debit side. Yes, it means it is assets. It is assets. Now, where we have to put? Now we have to remember the schedules. Starting 2 hour of cash, next 2 hour of investment and advances, and next fixed assets. Oh, it will not fall from 6 to 10. It means that has to mention under others. That is 11. Other assets. Next one. Reserves fund. Beta, tell me, is this typical for you? No, sir. Reserve and surplus is schedule 2. So don't waste your time. Beta, profit and loss account. You know, profit and loss account, that will be mentioned in profit and loss account, opening profit and loss account balance. Okay, beta. So come to next point. Bills for collection, beta. Bills for collection. Tell me everyone. Sir, either we shall record on both the side, otherwise we shall ignore that. Beta, in this question, that has been ignored. But I am asking you, if that has not been ignored, where you have to mention? Study material has not given the solution regarding this, but still I want clarity from all of you. Bank want to show bills for collection. You know, you have practiced. Study material has given the practice, yes, but in the question has not given that where these are to be mentioned, in which head. Bills for collection shown on. I am waiting for other reply also. Yes, contain liability. Yes, no doubt. Either both the asset side or liability side. Yes. I am waiting, beta. Who will answer me? for collection. Jyoti, perfect beta. Both the side. Chetan beta, how you can record only single side? Now the answers are coming. Yes. Very, very good. Very, very good. Beta, remember, either you are not passing the entry. Another point is there. You are passing the entry. If you are passing the entry, that entry will fall in the trial balance. And you know, in this question, according to me, it is my opinion. Since it is on the both side, it must be shown in the financial statement. Okay, beta, it must be shown in the financial statement because we have passed as an entry. That's the reason it is in the trial balance. So this should be shown on the both of the side. Okay, beta. Schedule number you are mentioning there. Very, very good. Very, very good. According to me, it is my personal opinion. It should be shown in 5th and 11th. Because yes, beta Priyanka. Okay, beta. Still, anyways, since study material has practice in this way, so please in exam you please also ignore the same in exam. Now coming to next point. Next one, everyone. Interest credit side. Tell me where you will post. Give me answer fast. We have to practice more. Where you will post. Interest. Yes. Beta, tell me schedule number. Of course, 13 number is there. Okay, beta, interest income. Next one. Loans. Beta, given on debit side. Remember, loans given on debit side. Where you will post? Sir, loans given on debit side means those are assets. Yes. And where you will put them? Sir, in case of loans or advances, we put in advances schedule number 9. Beta, schedule number 9 is there. Next one, bill discounted. Beta, same is the case with bill discounted. Next one, interest debit side. Interest debit side. It means interest is expense. And where you will mention, sir, expense interest is schedule number 15. Yes. Discount income. Beta, you know discount income? That is not the cash discount. Bank is not trading. Bank is not paying to customer less and getting the discount. It is a discount which belongs to bill discounted. And definitely that is in reality, that is interest. Discount. Schedule number 13. Next one, rents. Rents. Credit side, it means rent is income, and that is not the interest income. Other than interest, all the incomes are being mentioned in schedule number 14. Schedule number 14. Next one. Audit fees. Audit fees is there. Beta, where you will mention? Can you please tell me? Sir, interest expense, it is not the interest expense. Okay. It is not the operating expense. Sorry, it is not the interest expense, it is operating expense. Other than that, schedule number 15. Schedule number, 16. Schedule number 16. Next one, depreciation reserves. Depreciation reserve. Beta, you know, provision for depreciation is there. Yes. On the credit side, depreciation reserves is there. Yes. That has to be transferred to schedule number 10. That is fixed assets. Provision for depreciation. Next one, salaries expense. Beta, these are operating expense. These will be transferred to schedule number 16. 16, that is operating expense. Next, these are also having debit balance. So these will also be transferred to schedule number 16. Yes, very, very good. Everyone is answering perfectly. Very good. Now next, cash in hand and with RBI. Beta, you know, these are to be posted on the asset side, and in which schedule number? Beta, starting 5 points belongs to left side, share capital, reserve and surplus 1 and 2. And then deposits and borrowings 3 and 4. Next is other 5, and 6 number is there, that is the cash and bank balance with RBI. So schedule number 6. Schedule number 6. Very good, beta. Very good. Next, miscellaneous incomes are there, beta, which are not interest. Other than that, those are being transferred to other income. Other income belongs to schedule number 14. Depreciation reserve again in schedule number 10. Fixed asset, you have to mention there provision for depreciation. Director fees, postage, these belongs to schedule number 16, operating expenses. Next, loss on sale of investment, beta. Beta, usually investments are done to earn the profit, and usually investments are not having the loss, because normally bank do in the very efficient manner. So there may be two cases, either to post it in schedule number 16, operating expense. Otherwise, it will be better to adjust on the income side with schedule number 14. Adjust, show as negative figure. Next, branch adjustment, beta. Of course, beta, these are the assets, but these assets are not falling in any other hands. It is the last, that is 11th number. I hope everyone is fine here. Can I start? Sir, also in P&L, provision depreciation reserve should be shown. No, beta, Pranav. No. You know, you have already learned the types of account. Okay, beta. Provision for depreciation belongs to tail of fixed assets. Okay, beta. Those are having the same types of account. Now come to point. Some adjustments have been given, that the detail of cash in hand with RBI, beta, how much is total? That is 75,000. The question is giving you details of cash with RBI. This one. Details of cash with RBI. And where is that? This one. And one more was there. Both of these. Money at call at short notice. And also one more thing is there. Balance with other banks. Beta, there is a mistake in question which you have to take care of. How much will be the total? Please do. 26,000 plus 46,350. No, this is not the same. Okay, that is different. Given here. This one. The detail have been mentioned below the trial balance. Now please see, other adjustments are also there. Yes, beta, Pranav. So beta, do it fast. Now please, we are to solve the question in fastest manner. So now I am solving the question in fastest manner, beta. Please, you have already done everything. Now mention the correct thing at the correct place. Share capital. Share capital share capital. That is how much? That is 1,90,000 dash. Since there will be no any other figure, hence the total will be same 1,90,000 total. Sir, why fixed assets would be used here? But if question is saying, then what can I do? Your question is absolutely perfect. I am also with you. But in exam, we are to answer the same manner in which question is asking. Okay, beta Danish? Yes. Schedule number 2. Now, what is the next thing which have to, beta, we have to solve the question schedule wise now. Take the schedule number 1. Yes, sir, we have taken. Now, schedule number 2 is there. Yes, sir, schedule number 2 is there. Okay. Then start that. You will be saving your time. Reserve fund. Schedule number 2, that is reserve and surplus. Reserve fund. That will definitely save your time. Reserve fund. How much that is? 1,40,000. 1,40,000. And there will be some figure that has to be brought here from the profit and loss account. After that, there will be total. So we are not doing the total. Share capital. Reserve and surplus we have prepared. Now, schedule number 3 is there. Now, see, in the trial balance where you have mentioned the schedule number 3. And schedule number 3, you already know. Schedule number 3 belongs to deposits. Yes, sir. Start. Schedule number 3 is there. Yes. You have done this one. Yes. And you have done this one. Now you are doing this one. Schedule number 3. Current account. Yes, current account total is there. Current account. Control is there. And that is how much? That is, beta, there is an adjustment with this. How much amount is that? 97,000. An adjustment is there. An adjustment is there. Please go with the adjustment. Included in the current account ledger are accounts overdrawn to the extent of 2,500. Okay, beta, to the extent of 2,500. Okay, it means that belongs to overdraft. Okay, it means we have to shift the figure from here to bank overdraft. Beta, you know bank overdraft is there. Where, sir? Bank overdraft is there. Okay, I will mention the next. Plus 2,500. Debit side is there. Credit side will be there. That is 99,500. 99,500. Next one. Next one. Better next one is this one. But I will post second part at the relevant page. Okay. But please mention this one. Schedule number 3. Where are schedule number 3? Another point is also there. Schedule number 3. Schedule wise. Okay, beta. Schedule wise. Saving deposits. Saving deposits. Those are how much? 15,000. Fixed deposit. Those are called FD. or you can say term deposit, any name you can find here. 23050. What will be total? 137550. Yes beta, both should be added beta. Next one. But after that, schedule number 3, we are moving to schedule number 4. Schedule number 3 has been done. Now we are moving to schedule number 4. Yes, schedule number 4 is this one. Only one figure is there. Schedule number 4. Borrowings. How much amount is there? 77230. But there is nothing more to mention here. So you can do directly the total. 77230. Beta, I will show, don't worry. Coming to the second effect, beta, Danesh. Now, schedule number 5. Schedule number 5, beta. Please find the schedule number 5 adjustments. Sorry, 5 items. Schedule number 5. Employee security deposit. Schedule number 5. Employee security deposit. That is how much? That is 7420. 7420. Next one. Okay. Schedule number 5 is there at any other place? No. That will come from adjustment. Since there is one adjustment, I am posting here. I am not totaling here. Okay, beta? I will explain, beta. Next. Schedule number 5. After that, schedule number 5, please mention all the things. Okay, schedule number 5. After that, schedule number 6 is there. Schedule number 6 is there. Yes, RBI. Schedule number 6. Balance with RBI and money at call and short notice. Okay. There will be balance with RBI, but question has given us the detail, so we have to mention the detail. Okay, so I am putting the same thing here, there. Cash in hand. Okay, with the RBI we are maintaining cash in hand. Better don't go with the study mat solution. There is some mistake. I think someone was asking the same in starting. Next one is in current account. In current account, we are maintaining with RBI. Beta, that will be contain liability, beta, Shankaran. Okay. We are maintaining the sequence. Okay, beta, we have first put the schedule numbers. Now, schedule number wise, we are solving the things at the relevant place. That will save your time. Okay. Now, next is in current account. In current account. That is 32,000. Next one, C, in other accounts, 8,000. Wait a minute. Yes, you are right. You are right. I have mentioned here money at call. Sorry, balance with RBI. Yes, sir. Yes, beta, you are right. By mistake, in hurriness, I have mentioned here. Anyways, this is what 75,000. Yes, beta, you are right. I have removed that. 75,000 is total. Okay. Only Pranav has told me the same. The mistake that balance with RBI is not having with money at short call and notice. Anyways, कोई बात नहीं. Next one. After that, we are moving to schedule number 7. Beta, please see. Highlight. I am highlighting here that whatever we have done, we have posted. We have done these things. Now, we are moving to schedule number 7, where we have found the schedule number 7. We will be putting here in schedule number 7. Yes, two things are there, two items are there. Money at call and notice. Okay. Please give here heading balance with other banks and money at short call. Sorry, money at call and short notice. Short notice. So, what are the figures? 26,000. First is money at call and short notice. Give a number, a numbering. 26,000. B number is there. We are doing now schedule number 7. This one. Balance with other banks. Okay. Balance with other banks. And that is 46,350. 46,350. Very good. Very good. Can we do total? Yes, sir. Okay. Anyways, please leave it right now. After 7, now we are moving to 8 number. Now we are moving to 8 number. That is other investments and investments. These are we are posting. So we are moving to schedule number 8. Investments in government. Investment in government and other investments. Beta, study material has assumed and the investment in shares. Beta, we are not assuming. We are giving clearly other investment word as study material is giving question. 55,630. 55,630 is for others. And in case of investment in government, first is bond of India, government bond of India, then bullion, and then silver. First one is 94,370. 94,370. Second one is 15,130. 15,130. And next one is 2,000. And after that, we are posting now, after 8th, we are now posting 9th number, schedule number 9th. Please search schedule number 9th. Yes, this one, loans and advances. Schedule number 9, loans and advances. Loans, bills and discounted. ठीक है. And then, okay, this is not the same. Loans and advances, schedule number 9 is here. Okay. Schedule number 9. Advances. First one is loans. Beta, there is adjustment. 181,000 is there and 2,500, as you already know, that belongs to OD limit. 2,500. Second effect of the adjustment, which I have already covered there. Okay, that was merged with control account, but those are not the current account. Those are having the overdraft. Overdraft is called loan here, loan facility. Bank OD. Bank OD must be clubbed here. That was clubbed there. So reduce from okay. Since that was in adjustment, so put it both sides. That has not been included. That was not included there. Anyways, so this is 183,500. Next one is what? Next one is bills discounted. Bills discounted. Beta, anything which is of adjustment, which is part of adjustment, those to be posted on both the side. Bills discounted is how much? 12,500. 12,500. Yes. Next one. After that, after this 9th number, now we are moving to 10th number. Beta, fixed assets. Fixed assets. But that will be posted in the income side as negative figure. Where the profit is there, mention. Loss will also be mentioned there. Anyways, fixed assets. What are the type of fixed assets we are having? Name has been given, building. Beta, there is opening balance. There is cost and provision for depreciation. These are what? Opening balance. Cost is there, 65,000. And correspondingly, reserves are also there regarding furniture and building. Building, furniture. 6,500, 65,000 building, and for that reserves is there 800. Okay, 800. It means 64,200 is balancing figure. After that, we shall reduce the depreciation, which is part of adjustment. Then the final figure will come out. Now, next is what? That is furniture. Same is the case with furniture. There is an A cost. Cost balance is there. Sir, why you are saying cost? Because beta, provision for depreciation is given on another side. Minus provision for depreciation. That is how much? That is 200. I'm sorry, that is not 65,000. that is 5,000 only, furniture. So depreciation is there for furniture, that is 200. So beta 4,800 is there, which is the balancing figure as an opening WDV. And after that you will reduce the current year depreciation as an adjustment, whatever that will be, we will be posted together. Next. Then interest, sorry, not interest. Contain liabilities. Okay. Acceptance, endorsement are there. These are contain liabilities. Go to, okay. Go to schedule number 12. Contingent liabilities. Bills for collection. That is 56,500. Wait a minute. Not bills for collection. Acceptance, endorsement. Acceptance, endorsement, etc. How much that is? 56,500. 56,500. Contingent liability. Contingent liability. Okay, we were moving with the sequence. Okay, we missed 11 number. Wait a minute. Anything more in 12? No. Now we are moving to 11 since we forgot to take 11. 11 is there. Interest accrued. Interest accrued is there. Yes, this is what interest accrued on investment. Okay, another point is also there for 11. That is the branch adjustment. Yes, branch account. So first one is accrued interest. On investment. That is 24620. And second is enter office adjustment. Beta branch adjustment account is there. 20,000. हाँ बेटा आप भी करेंगे. Yes, Dinesh, I have left 11. Now I have covered the 11. Now after that 11, that there is 12 and 12 we have covered. Now moving to 13 number. 13 number. 13 number is there. Come on, come on, come on, 13. From starting, we have done all these things. Okay. We have done all these things and there is 13 number. That is this one. Interest is there. 62,000. Interest is there. That is how much? 62,000. There are some adjustments. Okay. Any more? Anything more in this regard? Schedule number 13? No. Now move to schedule number 14. 14 is there. That is for other incomes. Okay. So we are moving to schedule number 14. Other incomes. Those are what? Those are commission, brokerage, 25,300. 25,300. Now, next point is there. 414. Coming to next point. This one. 600. But the rent income is there. Rent incomes are there. Those are how much? Those are 600. Yes, 600. Yeah, beta, that is adjustment, I think, which you are telling me. I will move. Don't worry. I will cover. 600 is there. That is credit side. Rent income. Discount is also there for 13. Yes, you are right, beta. Absolutely perfect. We have forget to take discount income. Yes, that is how much? That is 42,000. Discount on income. Discount. That is 42,000. There is no adjustment in this regard. We have mentioned there. Anyways, now for 14, we have to complete. 14 is there. 14 is there. Where is 14? Is there anything more for 14? Yes. This one, 3,900. Miscellaneous income. Miscellaneous incomes. That is 3,900. 3,900. Next one. So after 14, another point is there. This one. Loss on sale of investments. I also agree that this must be mentioned on the other side. But where you will post? In interest income column? No. Operating expenses, that is operating expense. To operate the business, loss on investment is necessary? No. Provision is there? No. So beta, that's the reason it is mentioning here that since it is the loss of investment, where the income is there, the loss of investment must also be there. How much is amount? 2 lakh. That is being shown here as minus. Next. 14 completed. Yes, sir. Done. Now, moving to next part, that is 15. We have done 14. Yes. Now moving to 15 beta. So where is 15? These are the 15. Interest expense. Yes. 15. This is really very lengthy question, but we have taken the time to discuss, to learn, to practice, to prepare format together. Okay, beta. Interest how much? That is 7950. 7950. 7950. Is there anything more for schedule number 15? No. Now schedule number 16 is there. Schedule number 16 is there. What are the items to be put it here? First one is this one, audit fees. First we have to put our fees now. After all, we are becoming chartered accountants. Audit fees, that is 5,000. Next one, salaries. Salaries, 21,200. 16. Only below side. Rent, rates and taxes. Rent, rates and taxes. That is how much? That is 12,000. Next one. Next one is there. That is director fees, 1,000. Director fees, that is 1000, and then postage 1250, postage 1250, very good. Next, after that we are moving to adjustments. Yes, now it's the turn for adjustment. Show me your Josh. Are you ready, everyone? Beta, you are practicing a lengthy question, and you will be controlling the question, not the question will be there which will control you. If you will be remembering all the schedules and all the things. Beta, very good, Danesh. Yes, Abdul, I am coming to adjustment. So now, beta, first one adjustment is there, that is rebate on bill discounted provided 4,000. It means that is closing unaccrued income. Beta, where is income of interest? Sir, that is schedule number 13. From there, you have to reduce the closing rebate, or you can say closing unaccrued income, closing rebate on bill discounted, closing rebate, that is how much? That is 4,000. That is 4,000. It means the balancing figure is there. 12 में से 4 के बचे 8, 11, 5, 58,000. What is the total? 1 lakh. That will be posted there. Okay. Now, second part of the adjustment is there, which has to be put in the liability side. टैग जी इसे थोड़ा कम कर देना. Schedule number 5. Wait a minute. Sorry. $4,000. थोड़ा सा इसी कम कर दीजिए. थोड़ा सा इसी कम कर देना, हल्का, बहुत हल्का मत कर देना. हाँ, थोड़ा सा कम, कूलिंग मतलब. अच्छा, after that, now moving to next adjustment, that is depreciation, building 5,000 and furniture 500. Beta, come to schedule number 10. Come to schedule number 10. Current year depreciation is there for building, that is 5,000. 14 में से 5 के बचे 9, 5. And for furniture it is 500. 8 में से 5 के बचे 3. Now the second effect will be on the other side, that will be in schedule number 16, I think, operating expense. Yes, 16. Depreciation, fixed assets, that is 5,000 plus 500, that is 5,500. Next, last adjustment is there, that is current account, which we have already done. Included in the current account ledgers are account overdrawn to the extent of 2,500. Next, after that, transfer to statutory ledger, that will be done. Okay, beta. Now please do total of all the adjustment. Now please do total of all the adjustment. schedule number 16. From the schedule number 16, I am starting the total. 5,000 plus 21. Better please send me total. 5,000 plus 21,200 plus 12,000 plus 1,000 plus 1,250 plus 5,500. 45,950. Now beta, schedule number 15. Schedule number 15 total is there. There is only single figure, that is 7,950. Next one. Schedule number 14. 25,300 plus 600 plus 3,900 minus 2 lakh. Schedule number 14. I think this is 20,000. I have done here 2 lakh. Wait a minute. Which we have to mention. Wait a minute. Yes. That was schedule number 14. 20,000. $25,300. Pranav, wait, please. I am coming to the point. 9,800. 9,800. Next one. Interest earned. That is 1 lakh. That is 1 lakh. But at least we have to prepare schedule. Okay. The format we must complete. 56,500. Next one is 44,620. 2 और 3 5, 9 और 4 13, 1 और 5 6, 5 और 5 10, 1 और 3 4, 2 6, 1 और 8 9 और 1,96,000. ठीक है बेटा. I will be answering the query, but first let me do total. If there is any query, then please mention when I will ask you. One 167,130, and there is 6 और 6 12, 2 और 4 6 और 1 7. Next one is 75,000. Next one is 11,420. ठीक है. Okay. Yes. This will be done after solving the P&L. Yes. Now first post the schedule number 13, 14, 15 and 16 figure. So schedule number 13 figure is there. Schedule number 13. Schedule number 13 figure is there. That is how much is total? 1 lakh. And other income is there 90,800. How much it is total? 109,800. Expense 7,950 and then 4,5,950. Is there any provision? Question is not given any information regarding the NPA, standard, substandard, etc. Now moving next to the, so that is total 5 और 5 10, 1 9 9 18 1 19, 1 और 5 6 और 7 13, 1 और 4 7. गड़बड़ है क्या? 4,5,950 plus 7,950. Oh, 53. 4 है ना ये? 53,900 minus 109,800. That is 55,900. This is what? This is profit? Yes. So there will be transfer to reserve? Yes. If there will be loss, then definitely that will not be transferred. First do 25%. That is 25% of that 55,900. That is 13,975. Now brought forward the profit and loss closing balance of last year. 5 और 9 14, 1 और 6 7 और 5 12, 1 और 5 6 62,400. 62,400 has been divided in this way. 62,400 minus this one 13,975. Beta nothing is there to be called as other reserve. Yes. Now 48,425. Income side total should be, beta why? Abdul, please recheck. Next one. The closing balance 6,500 will be transferred to reserve and surplus. Closing profit and loss. That is how much? That is 6,500. 1,46,500 is the reserve and surplus balance. Closing reserve and surplus. And other reserves. Sorry, SLR. Statutory reserve. Statutory reserve is also there. That must be added. That is 139,750, which we have transferred in the current year. This one. That has also to be added. 1,40,000 plus 139,750 plus 6,500. And then I think there is some problem. Closing balance is how much? Okay, that was opening balance. Wait a minute. Closing balance is 48,425. 48,425. 48,425. Yes. 1,40,000 plus 139,750 plus 48,425. That is 2,02,400. Yes. Now beta putting the figure here. Reserve and surplus 2 lakh. Beta 2,20,000. Actually figures are in thousand. Please check. Okay. Yeah, there was a mistake, beta. Yes, this was 20,000. You will check. This is 20,000. Anyways, now please see 2,02,400 Beta, you will be totaling the trial balance, then you will be finding the mistake there. Okay. Deposits. How much is deposits? Deposits total 137,550. Next one, borrowings 77,230. Next one, 11,420. And total is there 618,600. Next one, 75,000, 72350, 167130, 19 lakhs, sorry, 19600, 63500, and 44620. What is the total? Total is again same, 618,600. And last, now I will be focusing to your query. That is 6. Wait a minute. Bills for collection. Bills for collection is there, 43,500. Next one is 56. Okay. 56,500. But according to me, bills for collection should not be here, as if we are entering the transaction, then those must be in the financial statement. Otherwise, we shall not required to mention the things, because those are the bills held for collection. Anyways, now, beta, Abdul, while you will be totaling the trial balance, you will be finding the figure same. Okay, beta? There is mistake. Now, someone was asking regarding the 2,500. Now I am asking you, beta, please ask me query. Whatever you are asking, I was focusing on the solution. Now please ask me, everyone. Okay, Abdul, please do total trial balance. You will be finding the same. Now rest of the student can ask the query. Otherwise, give me a ready. We shall take 5 minutes to 10 minutes break. 5 minutes break. After that, we shall be doing capital adequacy ratio. But before that, I want to solve your query. If there is any query, then please ask. One of the student was asking 2,500 regarding 2,500. Beta, please remove included word because whatever we are giving in adjustment, the information is there. Further information. It means in addition to trial balance. I know you are right. 25 in regards to 2,500. If that has already been included, then why we are again doing the same thing? Danesh, I think you are asking. Beta, please remove included word, because that may create confusion that in the trial balance already covered. Okay, beta. Please let me know, Danesh. Done balance sheet. Tell it, sir. Okay. Now please take a break. Although I want to, I do not want to give break, but at least before starting new topic, we have to take a break. Okay, beta, and that will be very interesting, very interesting, and very important. You can check the past examination question I have given there. So many times that have been asked. Okay, beta. I have no doubt in current topic. Okay, sir. Usually rebate on bill discounted we won't take, beta. When question will be saying, only then we can take. Okay, beta. Okay. Sir, break दे दीजिए. Beta, minutes. Exactly 10 minutes. Okay, beta. We shall start. Sir, break दे दीजिए. Hello, bachcho. So, break has been over. Now, please show me that you are present there, everyone. Hello, beta Pranav, Krishnan, Priyanka, Danesh, Abdul, Alok, and all rest of the students. Beta, we are starting new topic. But before that, first I want to tell you that whatever you have covered is here. Beta, I told you there are these type of questions which are being asked in exam usually. Okay, beta. Maximum type of questions are these from this chapter. Beta, we have practiced income recognition questions where you have practiced performing assets, non-performing assets, and interest income on that. And also you have practiced what are the provision percentages there, secured, unsecured, etc. Pranav, cut it there, included word. Okay, beta, you will find further information part is there. Okay, beta. Now, second type of question you have practiced, we are discounted. We have where you have already calculated that rebate on bill discounted, closing and opening. Okay. Next, you have also practiced bills for collection. Someone was asking, sir, why the question has included in the content. Beta, of course, that is that should be posted at other, because if you are entering in the books, then you must be posting to the both of the side. Next, and the last, you have practiced question with financial statement. But in regards to the question of financial statement, you have practiced balance sheet and profit and loss account, where you have practiced question number 20, which is the lengthy question. Okay, comprehensive question. Now it's the turn for one more thing, that is capital adequacy ratio. But moving to the next topic, this capital adequacy ratio, I want to tell you one thing. Beta, these are the topics which we are covering here is in the case of chapter of banking company. Yes, same non-banking financial company also require. Means, sir, which we are covering here, the same is the case with the NBFC. Yes, beta, we shall be covering NBFC in one class. Why? Because most of the practice has been done here. Only the percentages are different there. Sir, how you can say? Beta, percentages and criteria to make NPA here is 3 months and there is 6 months. This type of criteria are there. Percentages here is 15%, there is 40%, or 40%, there is 25%, something like that. Only the percentage you have to change. The main thing is that you have to practice this thing very, very seriously. And this is very small topic, but very important. This is very interesting topic, but if you are losing this, if you are not focusing this topic properly, then there will be chances of losing the marks, because this topic usually comes in exam, and this is really very, very important topic. So I am now discussing these two topics with you all, beta. Okay. This is basically unit number 3. This is what? This is your unit number 3. Capital adequacy norms, which I have already covered in the notes accounts. Okay, beta, my notes. So beta, see, I am giving you information, a story is there, which you have to listen and understand. See, beta, debt equity ratio, have you ever listened? Please tell me, debt equity ratio, have you ever listened? Yes, sir. Why that was being calculated? To know that company will not go in the over debt, so that there may be no any critical situation for the same. Yes, but the same is the case with this thing, like a debt equity ratio. But before that, you must be know something which is the totally background of the these norms. Otherwise, you will be losing the concept. So, can I start, everyone? These are called Basel committee norms. In practical situation, while you will be working with the bank audit or something like that, with the connected with the bank, then you will be required these things, because these are the part of our syllabus and which usually student lack in this part. Yes, beta, to know the solvency of company. Very good, Pranav. Shabash, beta. So only some of the students are answering. It means rest of the students are enjoying their paratha, dosas, etc., etc., and that is not good. That will not be digest to them. See, beta, Basel is a city in Switzerland. Listen to this story. You know, there are always updations in the existing software. Yes, sir. In the same case, in this ratio also, there were updations. But the ratio was made in the earliest. So we have to know the situation right from the beginning first. Okay, beta? See, beta, Basel is a city of Switzerland where the headquarters of international settlement of the banks were made. Okay, beta? And that was established in 17 May 1930. बेसल एक सिटी है बेटा स्विट्जरलैंड में, वहां पर क्या है कि इंटरनेशनल बैंकिंग सेटलमेंट्स के लिए एक हेडक्वार्टर भी है. 1930 में ये एस्टेब्लिश किया गया था. एंड देयर वर टू ऑफिसेस. One is Hong Kong and another is Mexico. Basically, these are the committee of 60 countries banking system that was to govern the banking companies system. Okay, बेटा? सर ऐप नहीं चल रहा था पहले मेरा, इसलिए मैसेज नहीं किया. ओके बेटा लोग. ओके बाबू. Now see, बेटा, Basel Committee on Banking System in 1974 was made. A banking system was developed in 1974, which was covering the topics related to 95% of GDP, world GDP. And there was a requirement to make a system so that bank cannot be collapsed. And if the bank collapsed, then the loss bearing capacity must be there. So, beta, these norms were made keeping the background to bearable situation for the bank. Okay, beta? Banking committee on banking system. See, beta, first of all, the norms was made in 1988. That was called Basel 1. That was called Basel 1 norm. Okay, beta? Nowadays, Basel 3 is there, for which we have to practice, and the things were coming from Basel 1 with updations. Okay, beta? So, listen carefully. In 1988, Basel committee made a norm which is called Basel 1. Basel 1 norm. They prepared this norm based on the capital measurement, credit risk. They have covered that what the credit risk is there with the assets of the company. Okay, the assets are mainly like loans and advances. You know, you have learned the NPA norms also. Yes, but another assets are also there to cover the risky factor. These norms were made. Bank must maintain at least how much capital? At least 8% of risky assets. So first we have to calculate the risky assets. Yes, sir. Then we have to calculate the capital. Yes, sir. After that, we could be able to compare both of the same. Okay, beta? So first we have to know how the risky assets will be calculated. Beta, while you will be using the percentages weightage of risk with the assets value, you will be finding the risk weighted average assets. What the assets can be at risk. Okay, beta? And correspondingly, you will be finding the total of the capital. And as you know, in case of shareholder funds, we have some formula type. The same is the case here, which is called Tier 1 and Tier 2. That is also known as capital fund for bank. Beta, that capital must be at least of 8% of RWA, this was the norm. Nowadays it is 9%. At that time it was framed with 8%. Okay, beta. And what was the formula? Total capital divided by risk weighted assets multiplied by 100. So it was decided that must be at least 8%. Beta, formula you already know. And the point I am explaining you, all the things will be coming in the question, and in this way the percentage you have to calculate, and that has to be checked whether they are following the Basel norms or not. Now, the name of the CAR ratio, capital adequacy ratio, another name is also there, which is used capital risk weighted assets ratio. Okay, beta. Now, after that in 2004, second version has come, updated version. Basel 2 came into existence, and existing norms were covering the credit risk. Now they were also covering the credit, marketing and operating risk. Okay, beta. Still the percentage was same, that capital must be at least of risk weighted assets at least of 8%. Then further, when I became CA, some of the UK bank collapsed, and there is another reason which came into light, and keeping that into mind, another updated version was there, that was called Basel 3. Okay, beta. Financial crisis were arising when I became CA in 2010. So the versions were updated. Another version was issued, Basel 3. Beta, in which there were also coverage of liquidity risk along with the existing risks. The liquidity risks were also covered. In 2012, RBI issued a guideline that Basel 3 will have to be adopted strictly, and from 1st April 2013 it was implemented. Beta, this is a theory which you will find after reading all the things in this unit. Okay, beta, all these things in the unit, and after that you have to go with the numericals, beta. Then also you will be needing this chart, beta. Instead of reading complete chapter, you will be solving the question. If you need, you read this chart, beta. To whom CAR apply? Capital adequacy ratio, to whom apply? It means which are the banks to whom such ratio has to be maintained. But banks are of two types, Indian and foreign. Foreign bank, sir, on foreign bank it will apply. Yes, if they are operating in India, then definitely it will apply. Those have to maintain this ratio. Next, in case of Indian bank, if the commercial purpose is there, only then such ratio has to be maintained. So beta, first we have to check CAR will be applicable to which bank? That is commercial bank in India. Okay, beta, whether foreign banks are operating in India, yes, those have to maintain. As per norms, it was decided in the updated version that bank can give 22 times of its capital. Okay, beta, 22 times of its capital. And the ratio was further updated at least 9%. And the formula was also further updated along with RWA, not resident welfare association. Please don't say. Normally students usually pretend to say like this, that sir, it is a resident welfare association. RWA, risk weighted assets plus off balance sheet items, beta. Okay. Now I'm telling you what are the things to whom we can say capital fund, to whom we can say RWA, and to whom we can say off balance sheet item, which is required to be considered here. Beta, capital fund you already know, capital, reserve and surplus. Those have been divided into two parts along with some weightage. So I am showing you here the slides already I prepared for you, so to save your time. Those will also be uploaded, don't worry. Capital funds are combination of two capital. These are the core capital. Tier 1, Tier 2. No, Tier 1, Tier 2. So Tier 1 capital and Tier 2 capital both are added, and then we find the capital fund which is to be maintained. Which is to be maintained. In our question, we will be finding the items in the trial balance, and we have to find out that Tier 1, Tier 2 capital and also RWA. Okay, beta. See, in case of tier 1 capital, which type of items are coming in this? Beta, what the capital bank is having, and what the capital bank is still maintaining its main business. Beta, see, bank is having equity share capital, irredeemable preferential capital. These are what? These are capital. Okay, beta. Now see, after that, all reserve and surplus, excluding reserve and surplus, which belongs to non-cash. Exception is there, revaluation reserve. Beta, suppose an assets is there, which was bought at 1 crore, and the market value nowadays is more than 1 crore. And if in books they have revalued, then the revaluation reserve is there. Okay, beta. In that case, that revaluation reserve is not called core capital. So exception is there, that revaluation reserve are not to be included here. Next one is the amount they have collected by way of these source have been invested where? Beta, that has gone to loss, then that has also to be reduced. Next one, intangible assets. In case of intangible assets, in case of DTA, deferred tax assets, you already know. Or in case the amount has gone to its subsidiary, that means that amount has been put it at any other place instead of main business. So that's the reason it is being reduced from here to know the core capital of business. Differential rights, yes, better, yes. Next, tier 2 capital. Please tell me, are you okay with this tier 1 capital? What the amount they have collected, and those amount which is not still in the business, those has to reduce to check whether the capital available to compensate the loss is proper or not. Accumulated loss shall be reduced, intangible assets shall be reduced, DTA will be reduced, and also the amount which has gone to its subsidiary, it means that is not being used by him in the main business. Okay, beta, that has gone to its subsidiary. It means that is not available to compensate immediate loss. Okay, yes, clear. Now, so after getting the tier 1, we are also now to calculate the tier 2. Beta, reserve and surplus we have excluded, but you already know that if the assets has increased its rates in market, then it can also be available. Yes, that's another thing that we are thinking that it will be sold by 1.5 crore, but that may be 1.2 crore only. It means at least some percentage is there that is available for sale, available for compensation. Okay, beta. So the percentages are there, which here as per norms assumed that of the revaluation you may consider 45% only. Okay, beta. It means if any assets is being revalued, it means market has up for its value. Yes. And if loss is there, then that assets will definitely generate more than its book value. But you are saying that it will be for 1.5 crore, then the upper 0.5 crore in addition to 1 crore, upper 0.5 crore, we are not considering full, we are considering the 45% of that. Okay, beta, the norms has been decided by committee. So this will be added. Yes, sir. Preference share capital, which were irredeemable only, which have been considered here. And where is redeemable? The secondary capital is there, which is available for compensation, but up to a certain limit. Preference share capital redeemable. You know, in case of liquidation, you have already learned. After paying external liabilities, only then the amount available will be distributed to chota bacha, small child, younger child. That is preferential share capital, redeemable. And after that, that will be moved to the big child, elder child. Why we should not include revaluation? But I have explained, Krishnan. Okay, has come. Yes. Now, redeemable long-term debts, general provisions. But these are the prescribed format given by the norms, which we have to learn. In question, we will be finding undisclosed reserve that will come into tier 2 capital, revaluation reserve. Then we will multiply 45% and we will consider here Redeemable long-term debts, yes, those will also be considered here. Next, general provision and reserve, general reserve, etc. Okay, beta. Hybrid capital, subordinate debts. Okay, subordinate debts will be considered 50% of tier 1, maximum to maximum 50% of tier 1. So, beta, in this way, you will be finding the capital fund, and that must be at least 9%. The formula is there. That is capital fund divided by risk weighted assets plus off balance sheet items. Okay, beta. Now moving to risk weighted assets and off balance sheet item, and directly after that we shall be solving the question. This is so small topic. Capital fund you have understood? Yes. Now you are moving to risk weighted assets. What the assets will go into the loss? What the risky assets is there for which capital must be available? Beta, partly convertible, etc. Okay, beta, Pranav. Next, convertible debentures, etc. Okay, risk weighted assets. Beta, what we shall do here? The assets will be there. The assets of bank will be there. Assets 1, 2, 3, 4, and in that we shall be multiplied the percentage of risk percentages, and then we will be finding risk weighted assets, the assets which is at risk. Okay, now we have to know these percentages. Beta, these percentages also usually changes, and we have to take care of along with other percentages, these percentages also beta. But you need not to take so much of worry until and unless the Basel norms revision is there. There will be no change for us because all the changes are updated here in our study material on our RTP only after the changes there at RBI website. The master circular are issued regarding this. If there is any master circular which has been issued by RBI, only then we have to check whether there will be any changes. Then we have to check our RTP that those are to be adopted for our attempts or not. Okay. Now see beta, what the risky assets we have to calculate. See, take a question directly. The percentage we have to know are given in our study material. Beta, these are the percentages. Should I tell you the page number? 8.36 is there. The bank balance which bank has maintained with RBI, is that risky? No, there is no risk. RBI will definitely return the money to its bank, to whom that has given the license. Okay, beta? Beta, that is the situation when risk arised. The provision is there to maintain. Okay, beta Abdul? But these are the requirement to maintain the capital. As you know, in case of debts, equity ratio, what the equity you have to maintain in regards to the debts. In the same way, here we are calculating. So, if one bank is maintaining its bank balance with other bank, then there will be at least some risk. They are assuming if other bank is fault due to any reason, then हम तो डूबेंगे सर, हम तुमको ले डूबेंगे, वाला काम हो जाएगा. Okay, beta? Then that will also cover. That will also bring him to the critical situation. Next, investment in government security. There is no risk in case of government securities, hence the risk percentage has been given 0. Okay. Other investments, 100% risk is there. Other than government, you are investing. It means you are taking risk. 100% risk is there. So that assets may go, that assets may lose. Okay, beta? For that, you have to check whether bank is maintaining its sufficient capital or not. Next one. Loans advances guaranteed by bank, government. Guaranteed by government. There is no risk. Other loans and advances, yes, 100% risk. Bank premises furniture, yes, that may also lose. If public is there and who is in the bad mood, then definitely look. Next. All of balance sheet items like LC, LG, bills, 100% risk. Non-fund exposure to real estate, okay, beta, those are also. Sir, can we start question? Yes, but last line we have to read first. For detailed risk weightage as per RBI guideline, I will suggest go to RBI website to see the updated version. Because from there we have to adopt in our study material. Anyways, for detailed risk weighted weights as per RBI guideline for the purpose of capital assets ratio, capital adequacy ratio given in Annexure 4. Beta, Annexure 4 has been given, and Annexure 4 is here, this one. In your study material, there is Annexure form on page number 8.150. You have to see the detailed percentage is there. In exam, usually the percentages are coming these only, but still you have to read these percentages. Mostly there are 20% risk or 100% risk. So you have to remember only 50%. Okay, beta. In case of real estate, you are to take 150% risk. Okay, beta. So it is your homework to read this one. Now I am moving directly to the question. Come to the question, beta. What the questions are there? Yes. Move to question, beta. Everyone. Questions are there. And you have to open the question. Wait, I am telling you. Page number 7.93 of my book. 7.93. Okay. 7.93. Where I have clubbed question of past examination. Yeah, this one. But it is very risky. Along with interest, they are considering Pranav. Hence, they are considering more than 100. Anyways, still don't share with any other. This is the secret. So everyone, are you ready? Tell me. I am waiting to practice with you all. This is the question of Jan 2021 examination. Give me a ready. Alok, Pranav, Danesh, Krishnan, Sapna, Abdul, Jyoti, Chetan, Priyanka, and all rest of the students. Yes. Come on, read this question. See, question is saying a commercial bank has, okay, commercial bank, the following capital funds and assets. Okay. Question is clearly given. Commercial bank is there. It means CR ratio, capital adequacy ratio norms will apply. Yes. And they have given us information regarding capital fund and assets. Okay, beta. Segregate the capital fund into two parts, tier 1 and tier 2. Wow, what a question. And also find out the risk adjusted assets and risk weighted assets ratio. Okay. So question should say CAR complete chapter unit you have to solve here. Okay. Can I start now? See, capital fund is there. Now please read. Is there anything which is below the question? No. Now see. First we will calculate tier 1 and tier 2 and you will be solving the question with me. Who will tell me whether it is tier 1 or tier 2? Beta, I am waiting. For TEIR, you have to mention here. It is tier 1 or tier 2. I am waiting, beta. You will tell me. There are 3 tiers. Sorry, not 3 tiers. There are 2 tiers. Tier 1 and tier 2. Tell me, everyone. The reading of definition should be strict since it is as per Act. Now tell me, equity share capital will fall in which? I am waiting. Very good. That's the thing I want. Everyone must involve answering whether it is wrong or right. Yes, that is what, that is tier 1. Next one, perpetual non-cumulative preference shares. Perpetual non-cumulative preference shares. Perpetual non-cumulative, beta, these will fall in tier 1, and cumulative preference shares, those will fall in tier 2. Next one. Statutory, something you have to understand. Yes beta, yes, you are right. But beta, cumulative and non-cumulative is there. Yes, non-cumulative and cumulative. Cumulative is there, which is like burden. Non-cumulatives are like honor. Anyways, statutory reserve. Statutory reserve, where you will maintain, sir, these are for statutory. Beta, whether it was statutory or for anyone, those are your reserves. Those are your reserves. Definitely these will fall in tier 1. Next one, capital reserve, of which 13.5 lakhs were due to revaluation. Then please reduce first 13.5. Reduce first 13.5 and tell me what is the amount excluding revaluation reserve. What is the amount excluding revaluation reserve? Capital reserve, what is the excluding revaluation reserve? Total is 45 minus 13.5. So excluding revaluation reserve, it means 31.5 will be covered in tier 1. That is excluding capital, excluding revaluation. Yes. Now come to 13.5. That is revaluation reserve. Yes. How much is the amount that is to be considered in tier 2? Remember, revaluation reserve is part of tier 2, but up to a certain percentage. So 13.5 multiplied by 45%. That is how much? 6. Okay, I am writing here complete. 13.5 multiplied by 45%. That will be considered in tier 2. Very, very easy. Very, very easy. Now next one. Security premium. Security premium, beta, that is your own capital profits that have been realized, of course, no doubt, tier 1. So beta, we have calculated the tier 1 and tier 2. Ultimately, total must be there, and that will be after reducing revaluation reserves at 55%. So see, that is your capital fund. Okay, this will be your capital fund. Now you have to calculate. Okay, first let me check. First check the solution. Okay beta, first check the solution. I am showing you the solution. Beta, see, you have done in this way. First one, you told 2900 will be in tier 1. Yes sir. See, this is what, this is tier 1. This is what, this is tier 1. You have covered here. Next one, you have told me perpetual non-cumulative preference shares tier 1. Yes sir, that is also in tier 1. Next one, perpetual cumulative preference shares 5,50,000, but that is tier 2. Yes, that is tier 2. Next one, last is statutory reserve. Yes sir, that is also tier 1. Yes, that is also in tier 1. Now next, after that, beta, capital reserve excluding that is 31.5. 31.5. Okay, rest 13.5 multiplied by 45%. That is this one, 6.07. You have already calculated there. Next one, security premium is here. Of course, tier 1. Of course, tier 1. Yes. Now you have to reduce what the amount has gone to these things, whatever we have learned here, whatever the amount has invested by bank in this way. If there is any accumulated loss, then that amount is not available to compensate the loss. Yes, intangible assets, DTA or subsidy. Now see, beta, see. investments, okay, these are the next. What are the items? Accumulated losses, intangible assets, DTA and investment in subsidy. Is there any subsidy? No. Is there any accumulated losses? No. Is there any DTA? Yes, DTA is there. Deferred tax assets is there. Intangible assets is also there. There are two items. Okay, beta, which we have found. So we shall reduce the same from here to get the tier 1. So this is the amount of tier 1. And tier 2 is this one. So please do a total of both of them. This one is the total capital fund. Total capital fund. Now we have to check whether this fund is sufficient or not. We have to check what the percentage this is maintaining in regards to risky assets. How risky assets will be calculated? Nothing. It is just like a game. You know, assets are there. Yes. And what we have to do? First, we have to check. The formula is there. What is that, sir? First, we have to know the capital fund, which we have already covered. Yes, sir. Now we are covering risk-weighted assets. Yes. After that, we shall cover off-balance sheet item and we will consider the complete ratio. We will calculate the complete ratio. Now, beta, see. What are the assets? Cash with RBI. Now tell me, who will tell? What will be the risk in regards to this? Beta, RBI will give risk how much percentage? Nothing, sir. There will be nothing, no any risk. Beta, what the percentage RBI will give? Beta, definitely 0. 0%. You will multiply here with the percentage. Next one, balance with other banks. Tell me, balance with other banks. You already know how much percentage was there. 2% you have to remember. 2% you have to remember. Tell me, everyone. Very, very good. 20%. Yes. Next one. Now, what about the banks? If we are having claim on bank, yes, the same is there. Other banks on other banks. One bank is having 20% competence only. Okay. Now, investment in bonds issued by other banks. Of course, investment in bonds issued by other banks. If there would not be any other bank, then definitely 100% will be there. Anyway, but there is bonds issued by other bank. 20%. Venture capital fund. Oh my God, that is 150%. That is 150%. Next one is the other investments. Beta, of course, 100. Guaranteed by government, 0%. Guaranteed by PSU. Okay, it's the same is the case with PSU. Leased assets. Oh, 100%. Advance against security. Wow. There is no risk. If you are giving advance, you are a bank. If you are giving advance after taking the security, then there is no risk, of course. Against FD, you are giving. Okay, beta. Education loan is there, 100% risky. You know, we usually take loan while we are studying. Then bank consider this us 100% risky. Why 150 and not 100? Beta Abdul, for which? For venture capital, na? Beta, risky ventures are there. The startups. Okay. Next one. What about other assets? Beta, see, in regards to other assets, of course, 100%. If we remember 150 and 20, that will be more easy. Okay, beta, for rest, 100. But think there is government or PSU, then always take 0. Next. Beta, intangible assets covered there. Anyways, now we are covering next. Okay. Beta, these are the off balance sheet items. Deferred tax assets, no risk is there, beta. Okay. Now coming to next. Beta, what the percentages belongs to off balance sheet item? Sir, what is off balance sheet item? Beta, contingent liability. Contingent liability. In case of contingent liability, bank always take it as risky if contingency happens. So they take it as 100%. And in case of non-fund real estate exposure, oh my God, always they consider like venture capital financing, same 150%. Okay. So that will be RWA and along with off balance sheet item. Beta, please see. These are the RWA which we have calculated here in this way, and off balance sheet items also we consider after percentage. Off balance sheet means contains if contingency happens. So premises is the real estate. So can we do it with 150? If separate given for premise, no, but our real estate are different and premises which we are using in our business are different. Okay, beta. Next. Now moving to next part. After that, we consider this in this way. So there is capital funds, which you have already covered there, divided by risk adjusted assets, which you have already covered here, plus off balance sheet item, and percentage is calculated. 11.55% is there. This must be at least 9%. It means it is okay. It is maintaining the ratio in the proper form. Okay. Please see question number, next question, November 2020. Let's start. Next question, that is November 2020. Who will tell me? I am waiting for an answer, but everyone must answer. Tell me tier 1 or tier 2. Everyone, I am waiting for an answer. Who will tell me that this will fall in tier 1 or tier 2? Share capital. I am waiting for an answer, beta. Share capital. Share capital. Tier 1. Statutory reserve. Tier 1. Beta, in case of capital reserve, the same is the case with reduce from 87. What you will reduce? 87 minus revaluation is at 26. That is 61 is for tier 1. And for tier 2, you have to multiply the percentage. 26 multiplied by 45%. 26 multiplied by 45%, that is 11.7. 11.7. Yes. Now, beta, RWA you have to calculate. Who will tell me? I am waiting. Who will tell me? RWA. Cash balance with RBI. What is the percentage? 0%. Will you suspect on RBI? Balance with other bank. 20%. Other investments. 100%. Guaranteed by government. 0%. Others. 100%. Premises, furnitures and fixtures, of course, 100%. Guarantee obligation, yes, 100% of balance sheet items. The same is the case with this. And in this way, you will find the RWA and you will solve the question and all. Sir, can we solve more question? Yes, beta, why not? After this, you will find again the same question. Okay, this is a profit and loss question. Okay, in study material, you will find the questions. In study material, from study material, you can practice, beta. There are questions. A commercial bank has following, beta, see. Okay, do just last practice. A commercial bank has the following capital funds and assets. What you have to do, segregate the capital into tier 1 and tier 2. Find out the risk-adjusted assets and risk-weighted assets ratio. Beta, this is the illustration. Okay. Should I give you in homework? Yes, sir. We shall not do, but you please give us homework. Now, okay. This is only the question provided by ICI. Anyways, now coming back to the class. Beta, we have completed our all types of question practice. All type of questions we have completed, which we made, for which we have prepared index here. That's the reason, Danesh, I was telling you, I am utilizing your time in such an efficient manner. The topic which belongs to the typical category are being practiced here more. And those which are easy, you can do in your homework, beta. So we have completed banking. Now, I want to discuss one thing only. After that, we shall be concluding today's session. Okay, beta? After that, you can go at home. Now, I am discussing with you all one thing. NBFC. What does it mean? NBFC. Name is there, which is clearly explaining itself. Non-banking financing company. Okay. Beta, those are contain left D. I have already told you question number 1 or 4D part. I think you are asking 4-1. How much mark we can expect from this in exam? Beta, 10 to 12. Okay. Anyways, now beta, NBFC is also important, but here you will find only one type of questions, provisioning. Here you will find one type of question, that is provision. Beta, see. First, you have to check what is NBFC. Beta, companies may be of two types, government or non-government. Yes. But in case of banking business, we are to consider here either it is a banking company or non-banking company based on the registration. The banks are registered under Banking Regulation Act, and non-banking finance companies are registered in Companies Act 2013. Okay, beta, earlier it was 1956. Beta, see, I have already prepared some slide for you that will be uploaded today. Okay. See, please read this. Please read this. Company, this is a company registered under Companies Act. This is engaged in the business of finance or in the business of investments in shares or debentures, bonds or other securities, hire purchase business, chit fund business, insurance business, etc., etc. Beta, remember the difference is there. Normally, NBFC does not accept deposit, but there is no anything which restrict NBFC to take deposit. Beta, have you ever listened? Except bank, you have deposited your money with someone. It is like someone. Other than banks, it is like someone. Okay, beta, will you deposit your earning except bank to someone? No. Which are not bank, but doing the business of finance. Yes, beta, very good, Pranav. So any company whose principal business is more than 50% for finance, then we can say it is NBFC. So do we have to get registered? Yes, beta, definitely. Types of NBFCs are there, beta. Now please see, from here you have to understand the things. Beta, there may be two type of NBFC, three types of NBFC. Number one, NBFC accepting deposit, and second is NBFC non-accepting deposit, and third one is NBFC which works for hire purchase lease out. You know, in case of hire purchase, you have learned hire vendor. Yes, sir. The hire vendor, who are the hire vendor? Sir, we purchase asset, we purchase car. We have learned the hire purchase chapter. We purchase car from Uttam Toyota. Sir, Uttam Toyota is there who is selling to us. So we are considering Uttam Toyota as a hire vendor. No, beta, no. Hire vendor is different, which is this one. Actually, while you will be financing your car, you will submit your document to Uttam Toyota or any other showroom, and they will contact to NBFC, either to bank or NBFC. And NBFC will be there who will be funding to you. NBFC will be there who will pay full payment to Uttam Toyota or any other showroom from where you are buying your car. Now, the title has gone to that, and they are hire vendor for us. Okay, beta? Yes, beta. Absolutely, beta. Abdul. So, beta, actually the entry you have done in hire purchase chapter, where you consider the hire vendor, you are not able to understand in so much of depth. Now, today, you will be able to understand the depth that the NBFCs are paying full payment to the concern, and after that, those are having the title, and those are dealing with us, for which they are to get their installment along with interest. And if we are not paying, then they will be taking the goods back into their possession. That is called repossession. Now listen to me very carefully, beta. Beta, starting two types of NBFCs are to consider. In our exam, we usually find the question belonging to starting two. NBFC 1 accepting the deposit and NBFC 2 non-accepting the deposit. Now, those non-accepting deposit are also of two types. I am giving you a single word. After that, I will close today's session because that may create some burden to your mind. I do not want to create any burden. I want to give you with full clarity. NBFC non-accepting the deposit, which are not accepting the deposit, may be big or small, and big are called, meaning the word systematically. This is systematically. Okay, beta? This is systematically. This is what? This is systematically independent. And another one is not systematically independent. Beta, these are called small NBFCs. These are called small NBFCs. Now, last thing I want to tell, beta, in this chapter, we have to practice the questions which belongs to NPA provision. How the banks record NPA provision. In the same way, whatever we have learned, the big NBFCs, these will be making the provision in the same manner as we have done practice there. The same rules are here for these banks, NBFC. The percentages are different for these NBFCs, for which we have to learn. I am not covering anything today. Don't worry. I am just telling you the overview, what we shall do in this chapter, and why I am telling you that only single class will cover all the things, because I have already prepared the slides. See, overall questions are here, which belongs to this unit. Number one, theory question, NBFC and its type. Number two, capital adequacy ratio. Beta, capital adequacy ratio will apply if NBFC will definitely apply. Okay, but no questions are there in our study material. Can you not solve capital fund? Can you not solve? Can you not calculate the risk weighted assets? What does it make different if the name is not the bank and NBFC is there? Definitely that will be solved in the same manner. Yes. Another point is there, number third. prudential norms, beta, those are income recognition norms. Here you will find the difference. Okay, beta. Next, last is there investment valuation, that is same, and capital fund is also there, which you need to consider. So two types of question you will find in your study material regarding this, point number 3 and point number 5. Okay, beta. Last line, after that the session will be over. Capital adequacy ratio, those NBFC which are not allowed to accept the deposit and not systematically independent, means small NBFC, are not required to follow CAR. It means CAR has to be maintained by big NBFCs. Okay, as I decided, as I committed, now the session is being over, so that you may not get burdened. Tomorrow you have to do just one thing. Please revise the concept of earlier unit, banking unit. Those will help you in this chapter. Okay, beta. Okay, then I hope I could give you a proper understanding. Please give your feedback to ICI, whatever you feel. Okay, we shall be meeting in the next class. Okay, बच्चों, bye bye. See you tomorrow. सर सेशन ओवर कर दीजिए.